Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Regions mortgage account. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer or your laptop, and then in the URL box type in mymortgage.regionsmortgage.com and search. This will take you to your Regions login screen, from where you can go ahead and enter your online ID and password to access your mortgage account. Enter your login details where you see the online ID text box. Enter your online ID. If you don't remember your online ID, click on Forgot Online ID button and follow through the instructions. On the next field, type down your correct password for your account. Similarly, if you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Password and follow through the instructions to reset your password. After you have your credentials correct, click on Login to access your mortgage account right away. If you are new to mortgage account and you'd like to enroll right now, go to the right hand corner and click the Enroll button in order to sign up. So that is how you can easily sign into your Regions mortgage account online. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.